Isn't it rich? Are we a pair? Me at last on the ground, you in midair, sent in the clouds. Isn't it bliss? Don't you approve? One who keeps tearing around, one who can't move. Where are the clowns? Sent in the clouds. Just when I'd stopped opening doors, finally knowing the one that I wanted was yours, making my enters again with the usual flair, sure of my lines. No one is there. Don't you love farce? My fault, I fear. I thought that you'd want what I want. Sorry, my dear. But where are the clowns? Sent in the clouds. Don't bother, they're here. Isn't it rich? Isn't it queer? Losing my timing this late in my career. But where are the clowns? There ought to be clowns. Well, maybe next year.